Lantana plant is a fast growing plant. You just need to follow a few simple things, and in this video we will talk all about these 7 lantana plant growth hacks, so keep watching and do subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in lantana plant care is its season. If you are growing lantana plant in the right time of the year, it will definitely grow a lot better. So lantana plant is a summer season permanent flowering plant that starts its growth in the warming spring days, and it's the best time to bring this beautiful plant from nursery. Lantana plant grow all around the hot summer days and keeps on providing its unique flowers until the summers are over. Unfortunately, winter days are the resting time of lantana plant. At this time the plant grow really slow and you may see yellow leaves as well. But it's a hardy plant and can pass these days very easily. Just don't disturb the plant too much, only keep it under a shade, or you can also move it indoors. This way you can follow the season and enjoy a better growth on your lantana plant. Another big thing for growing lantana plant fast is its soil mix. Lantana plant is a fast growing flowering plant, so that's why if your soil is loose and soft, this can give an extra advantage to the plant. Generally, lantanas are very hardy plants that can survive very well in a variety of soil mixes, but a water blocking medium can also trigger a number of problems. So here to solve this whole issue, a loose and well draining soil mix can keep your lantana plants very healthy. You can buy a good soil mix from the description box link. Otherwise, a homemade soil recipe is also added in the description box video. You can use that. One big problem that you must avoid is that water should never stay long in the soil. Another important thing for growing lantana plant fast is its location. If your lantana plant is placed in a shaded area, it might grow some leaves, but the flower buds appear only in sunlight. As we know, lantana plant is a summer's flowering plant, so obviously sunlight plays a big role in the healthy growth of their buds and flowers. All you need to do is just make sure your lantana plant is placed in a well-lit, bright area. And it will be even more better if you can give a few hours of direct sunlight to your plants. They love a full day of direct sunlight, and their rough textured leaves also love the hot burning sun. Another thing that can speed up the growth of your lantana plant is regular fertilization. No doubt lantana plant don't require so much of fertilization. For a while it's okay, but as the soil loses all its nutrients, then lantana plant will definitely show you different leaf signs. So it's better to provide it a good fertilizer on regular basis. For its healthier growth, you can use compost tea liquid fertilizer that you can make at home. A detailed video on making and applying compost tea is linked in the video description. You can check out that. And try to use it every 10 days during the growing season. And avoid fertilizing lantana plant in winter days. For a constant and healthier growth of lantana plant, a proper watering technique is also very important. Otherwise, the plant grow less and lose more. Overwater condition can cause a stunted growth as well as yellow leaves, while following a proper method can double the growth. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just let the top layer of soil dry, and when it's dry to touch, then you can do a deep watering. Lantana plant likes a moist environment, so keep the soil moist. You can also spray water over its leaves so it feels humid. Lantana plant stops its growth when the roots are bounded. It grows a lot of roots, so it's compulsory to provide it a good size pot. Some wide varieties of lantanas requires a lot more space, so here you can choose a dwarf variety, otherwise you have to give it a bigger pot every year. For the pot you can choose such a grow bag. It's best to avoid overwatering and it have a longer life also. You can buy it from the description box link. For the repotting, springs and rains are the best seasons. Keep the plant in shade after repotting until the new growth appears. Another thing you must do in the growing season is its pruning. Lantana plant grow long and leggy, so a monthly pruning can help a lot to give it a better shape and more buds. It's very easy. Simply clean your cutter using hydrogen peroxide that is also added in the description box. Then chop off the upper growing shoot around an inch. You can do this whenever the plant grow long. This will give way to new branches and ultimately to more flowers. Just avoid pruning in winters as it's the resting time of the plant. So it's all about lantana plant. Here is the video for making compost tea fertilizer. Must check it out. If you need an advice for your plants, WhatsApp link is in the description box. It costs just $5.